Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable ANC for the headphones Creative Sensemore Air. So let's start with opening application, go to ambient control, and right here you can do it for yourself. Click to ANC or Sensemore mode, or you can choose ambient mode and choose ambient mode. And also you can press 2 times on your left earbud. Maybe again. Yeah, and as you can see I swapped to the ANC mode, and if I press again 2 times I will swap to ambient mode. But sometimes it's lagging, it's okay. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!